Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Adam.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
What's your full name?
My name's Emma Brown.
What's your full name?
My name's Emma Brown.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years.
Do you work, Emma?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
Do you work, Emma?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
You teach English, right?
Yes, I teach English.
You teach English, right?
Yes, I teach English.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love teaching.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love teaching.
Why do you love it?
It helps many people.
Why do you love it?
It helps many people.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Is London a beautiful city?
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Is London a beautiful city?
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Do you live alone?
No, with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, with my family.
How many members, Emma?
We are 5 members.
How many members, Emma?
We are 5 members.
What's your morning routine?
I wake up early.
What's your morning routine?
I wake up early.
What do you do then?
I drink some water.
What do you do then?
I drink some water.
Do you do exercise?
Yes, I walk daily.
Do you do exercise?
Yes, I walk daily.
What do you eat?
I eat simple food.
What do you eat?
I eat simple food.
What's your breakfast?
I eat eggs, bread.
What's your breakfast?
I eat eggs, bread.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you read books?
Yes, every single day.
Do you read books?
Yes, every single day.
What do you read?
I read English novels.
What do you read?
I read English novels.
Do you write also?
Yes, I write stories.
Do you write also?
Yes, I write stories.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, mostly English movies.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, mostly English movies.
Why English movies, Emma?
They improve my listening.
Why English movies, Emma?
They improve my listening.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I love traveling.
Which place you visited?
I visited Paris recently.
Which place you visited?
I visited Paris recently.
Did you like Paris?
Yes, it was beautiful.
Did you like Paris?
Yes, it was beautiful.
What did you see?
I saw the Eiffel.
What did you see?
I saw the Eiffel.
Was it crowded there?
Yes, but very fun.
Was it crowded there?
Yes, but very fun.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I take many.
Do you take photos?
Yes, I take many.
Do you love nature?
Yes, I love nature.
Do you love nature?
Yes, I love nature.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring season.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring season.
Why do you like spring?
Flowers make me happy.
Why do you like spring?
Flowers make me happy.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rain.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rain.
Do you read daily?
Yes, I read daily.
Do you read daily?
Yes, I read daily.
How long you read?
About 1 full hour.
How long you read?
About 1 full hour.
Do you use internet?
Yes, for learning English.
Do you use internet?
Yes, for learning English.
Which app you use?
I use YouTube mostly.
Which app you use?
I use YouTube mostly.
Do you like speaking?
Yes, I speak daily.
Do you like speaking?
Yes, I speak daily.
How do you practice?
I talk to myself.
How do you practice?
I talk to myself.
Do you think in English?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you think in English?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, but I learn.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, but I learn.
What motivates you most?
Learning new every day.
What motivates you most?
Learning new every day.
Do you love your work?
Yes, I really do.
Do you love your work?
Yes, I really do.
Do your students improve?
Yes, they improve fast.
Do your students improve?
Yes, they improve fast.
Do you help others?
Yes, I always help.
Do you help others?
Yes, I always help.
Helping gives peace, right?
Yes, it gives peace.
Helping gives peace, right?
Yes, it gives peace.
What's your life goal?
To be a guide.
What's your life goal?
To be a guide.
Do you love yourself?
Yes, I love myself.
Do you love yourself?
Yes, I love myself.
Do you pray daily?
Yes, every single morning.
Do you pray daily?
Yes, every single morning.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color's blue.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color's blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you like?
I like soft songs.
What music do you like?
I like soft songs.
Do you play instruments?
No, I don't play.
Do you play instruments?
No, I don't play.
Do you sing songs?
Yes, I sing softly.
Do you sing songs?
Yes, I sing softly.
Do you dance, Emma?
Yes, sometimes for fun.
Do you dance, Emma?
Yes, sometimes for fun.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta most.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta most.
Do you cook daily?
Yes, I cook daily.
Do you cook daily?
Yes, I cook daily.
Who cooks at home?
My mother cooks often.
Who cooks at home?
My mother cooks often,
What time you sleep?
around 10 at night,
What time you sleep?
around 10 at night.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many.
Who's your best friend?
Her name is Lily.
Who's your best friend?
Her name is Lily.
Do you trust people?
Yes, I trust people.
Do you trust people?
Yes, I trust people.
What's friendship for you?
Friendship means true care.
What's friendship for you?
Friendship means true care.
Do you forgive easily?
Yes, I forgive easily.
Do you forgive easily?
Yes, I forgive easily.
Do you believe destiny?
Yes, I believe destiny.
Do you believe destiny?
Yes, I believe destiny.
Do you love reading?
Yes, reading gives peace.
Do you love reading?
Yes, reading gives peace.
Which book inspired you?
The Alchemist inspired me.
Which book inspired you?
The Alchemist inspired me.
Do you like dreams?
Yes, I like dreams.
Do you like dreams?
Yes, I like dreams.
What's your biggest dream?
To be global teacher.
What's your biggest dream?
To be global teacher.
Do you believe in love?
Yes, I believe love.
Do you believe in love?
Yes, I believe love.
What does love mean?
Love means pure heart.
What does love mean?
Love means pure heart.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, traveling heals me.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, traveling heals me.
What's your future plan?
To teach around the world.
What's your future plan?
To teach around the world.
Do you believe in hope?
Yes, hope keeps alive.
Do you believe in hope?
Yes, hope keeps alive.
What message for world?
Spread love and kindness.
What message for world?
Spread love and kindness.